Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix auto brightness not working on HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. Let's begin! First, we want to simply head into our settings. Then, let's scroll down a little and just enter display and brightness. And as you can see, right at the very top, we have a brightness bar, and right below it, automatic, that is currently enabled. It's pretty obvious that if you disable this, your auto brightness will just not work. However, if you enable this, you can already see the brightness automatically going up, though it is too much for me and especially too much for our poor little camera. But yeah, and technically that's all for this video. However, I just want to mention that if you still have troubles, or if you think you have troubles with auto brightness, all you want to do is you want to lock your screen and you want to take some sort of microfiber cloth like this one, and you want to just give it a nice scrub on the rear camera, actually on the selfie camera, because inside that camera we have many different sensors that are sensing the light levels around you and then using the information to feed to the auto brightness feature. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.